Alright, in our next exercise, sheet number 3 of file number 1, what we need to do is extract certain values of cells into another cell. So for example, in this sheet, what we have are employee codes, and let's say we want to extract the first four digits or first four characters of that cell. To do that, we again need a certain function. So we start as usual with the equal sign. Function left, open parenthesis. Now left has two arguments, texts and the number of characters. Text pertains to the cell where the values you are going to extract will come from, comma, and then the number of characters. How many characters from the left do we need? In our scenario, we need 4 characters. Close, enter, and you should have the first 4 digits of cell A2 coming from the left side. Double click the fill handle. Just to demonstrate, the number here 4 means the number of characters. So for example, if I have 7 as the number of characters, I will be getting 2016-39. Note, what I wanted to show here is that even special characters like hyphens, dashes, or even spaces are counted whenever you're going to use this function. I'm going to bring it back to 4 because that's what we need. And the next thing that we have to do is to get the department. The department is the last 2 characters of the cell A2. The opposite of left is right. Open parentheses. They have the very same arguments. What we need is the text, comma, and then the number of characters, this time coming from the right side. So if I need the department names, then we get 2 characters from the right, close, enter, and you should have 2 characters from the right side, HR. Double click the fill handle, and you should have the department names of all the values in cell A2 here in column C. For the last one, we need to get that middle number of our employee code. In the scenario of cell A2, what we need is 398. So unlike left and right, that automatically begins on either sides, left or right, the next function, mid, has 3 arguments. First is the text, as usual. Then the start num. The start num is where the function will begin getting characters from. So for example, I want to get 398. I have to count from the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want to get from the 6th character, again that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th character, and from that position I want to extract 3 characters. Close, enter, and you should have 398. Double click the fill handle, and you should be able to get 3 characters starting from the 6th position of the cell. So just to recap, left gets characters from the left side, right does the same thing but from the right side, and mid gets characters from the middle, but you have to identify at what point should mid start getting characters from.